Are you finding it tough to lock down a power wheelchair that's reliable, comfortable, and fits your budget? Don't worry, you're not alone, and we're here to make the search feel simple and exciting. Today, I'm going to be going over the best power wheelchairs that you can get right now. All of the products mentioned are linked in the description, so check them out if you're interested in any of them. With that, let's begin. At number 5, we have the Power Wheelchair Electric Wheelchair. From first glance, the Power Wheelchair Electric Wheelchair feels purpose-built for caregivers and users seeking reliable everyday mobility with intuitive controls. Its design suggests broad accessibility, offering simple one-handed operation and clear interfaces to accommodate seniors, rehab patients, and full-time wheelchair users alike. The overall aesthetics signal practicality over flash, with clear labeling and accessible height for independent standing transfers and quick daily routines. The chassis appears sturdy with a steel subframe and reinforced joints, delivering confidence during daily maneuvering and occasional bump handling with minimal flex. Its dimensions balance compactability and seat comfort, allowing easy doorway passage while maintaining generous legroom and rider stability during transfers. Weight distribution seems optimized for curb negotiation, yet the unit remains heavy enough to require careful logistics planning in multi-level homes. Powerful motors deliver consistent torque across varied surfaces, with adjustable speed and smooth acceleration profiles designed to preserve user confidence on inclines. The control interface emphasizes tactile feedback, featuring high-contrast buttons and a responsive joystick that remains usable with gloves or damp fingers. Storage options include accessible baskets and fold-away trays, while the power system prioritizes efficiency for longer runtime without frequent recharges. In real-world testing, the chair handles daily indoor corridors with ease, maintaining maneuverability on carpet thresholds and neat turning radii for tight rooms. On outdoor pavement and uneven surfaces, it demonstrates steady progress without abrupt jolts, while the suspension system absorbs bumps to protect sensitive joints. Battery life aligns with typical daily routines, delivering dependable range during primary errands, though longer trips may require planning around charging points. Compared to a leading competitor model, this Power Wheelchair Electric Wheelchair offers smoother steering and quieter operation, albeit at a higher price. The pros include exceptional durability under daily stress, ergonomic seating reducing fatigue on long sessions, and silent, efficient motor performance preserving conversation levels. The cons include premium price point that outweighs mid-range competitors for many buyers and substantial overall weight complicating solo transport and storage. At number 4, we have the Power Wheelchair Portable Folding Wheelchair. From the moment you unbox it, this device targets travelers, caregivers, and clinics seeking portability without sacrificing essential motorized support, reliability, or serviceability. The frame uses a lightweight yet sturdy alloy with careful welds and reinforced joints that promise durability during frequent transport and occasional rough handling. Its folding mechanism allows compact storage in car trunks and overhead compartments, while preserving seat height and wheelbase for stable maneuverability in tight indoor spaces. Design prioritizes intuitive control layout, discrete colorways, and rounded edges to minimize snag hazards when transitioning between seat, wheelchair, and standing frames. Dimensions are compact when folded, with a slim profile that slides beside seat cushions and fits through standard doors without requiring disassembly. The chair uses quick-release wheels and a removable armrest set to simplify storage and transport during multi-stop caregiving itineraries. Technical highlights include a 300-watt motor, regenerative braking on downhill gradients, and a battery management system designed to optimize daily charging cycles. The control interface combines a joystick with programmable speed limits and a responsive throttle that adapts to user input gentleness, improving confidence on varied flooring. Safety features extend to a seatbelt sensor, tilt sensors for obstacle detection, and an auto-stop function when the joystick reaches neutral position. In real-world testing, it navigated multiple household transitions with smooth acceleration, conquered carpeted thresholds, and maintained stability on moderately inclined surfaces. Battery endurance proved sufficient for daily errands, delivering several trips between recharge points before requiring a top-off, which reduces planned downtime. Handling remains consistent at top speeds, with precise cornering and predictable braking across both smooth tile and wood floor environments. Compared to the rival compact power chair model, the Power Wheelchair Portable Folding Wheelchair offers lighter folded weight and a tighter turning radius. The pros include strong build, excellent portability, and quiet operation. The cons include higher price and heavier weight. At number 3, we have the generic electric wheelchair. Initial impressions point to a practical option for budget-conscious users seeking dependable everyday mobility, prioritizing straightforward operation over premium bells and whistles. It appears designed for individuals who need reliable support for indoor navigation and short trips, and for caregivers seeking a low-maintenance, user-friendly solution. Its compact profile suggests easy maneuvering in tight spaces, though some users may wish for a wider seat and more aggressive wheelbase for uneven thresholds. Build quality feels sturdy for a budget model, with a steel frame under a clean plastic shell, instilling confidence during routine loading and daily use. The design prioritizes simplicity, featuring a fold-friendly chassis and accessible controls, while maintaining a modest footprint that still accommodates standard doorways and elevators. Dimensions stay practical with a compact turning radius and lightweight overall mass, though the seat width might limit broader users seeking more generous seating. Powertrain specifics reveal a modest but dependable motor and battery setup, delivering predictable throttle response and consistent propulsion for everyday indoor environments. The controller exposes a straightforward joystick interface and tactile feedback, reducing cognitive load for new users while preserving reliable reverse and diagonal maneuvering. Standout features include an accessible charging port, integrated storage options, and a transport-friendly handle kit that facilitates easy transport by a single caregiver. In controlled tests, acceleration lag and hill climbs remained within expected ranges for a basic power chair, revealing steady performance without dramatic power dips. Real-world tests highlighted easy setup, predictable braking response, and comfortable ride over smooth surfaces, yet users noted noticeable performance degradation on rough thresholds. Battery life estimates aligned with typical daily commutes, though frequent upgrading may be necessary for extended, multi-day use away from charging outlets. Compared to the Sunrise compact power chair, the generic electric wheelchair delivers similar indoor speed but with noticeably heavier frame and more modest seat width. The pros include affordable price, good basic maneuverability, and simple maintenance. The cons include high price and heavy weight. At number 2, we have the Hassky 2026 upgrade. From the moment you unbox it, you notice a thoughtful balance of weight distribution and a subtle emphasis on maneuverability for everyday users. Its design clearly targets caregivers, elderly users, and mobility rehabilitation patients who need a compact yet capable solution that remains comfortable over long sessions. The chassis combines premium brushed aluminum with rounded edges to minimize fatigue while preserving rigid frame integrity for daily indoor use. Its 28-inch turning radius supports tight corners in apartments, while overall footprint remains manageable for entryways and transit storage at home. The unit tips the scales around 40 pounds without battery, with a compact silhouette that balances portability and chair stability for daily transport. A brushless motor delivers smooth torque management and responsive acceleration, adapting to incline grade and payload without abrupt surges during transition between rooms. A smart joystick allows adjustable sensitivity, enabling precise control for tight spaces while preventing unintended movements when maneuvering on uneven floors. Battery chemistry supports hot swappable design and optional configurations, with an expected range of up to 18 miles per charge under moderate terrain. Integrated anti-tip sensors, modular armrests, and a removable seat cushion system simplify maintenance and customization for diverse user requirements in daily service. Real-world tests show predictable hill climbing and stable braking, with the motor maintaining steady speed without noticeable gear whine or abrupt slows. In tight corridors, the Hassky upgrade demonstrates precise turning dynamics and minimal drift, thanks to refined caster response and well-tuned suspension. Outdoor testing shows reliable traction on smooth pavement but limited grip on gravel, prompting recommended usage indoors or on well-maintained concrete paths. Compared to a leading rival such as the Soreflex X2, the Hassky 2026 upgrade delivers smoother tilting, longer battery life, and easier maintenance. The pros include strong build with premium materials, long battery life that supports daily routines, and compact maneuverability suitable for tight spaces. The cons include higher price and relatively heavier weight, which may deter budget-minded buyers who need an easily portable solution for frequent travel. At number 1, we have the generic electric wheelchair. From the moment you unbox the unit, you notice the thoughtful packaging and accessible controls designed for seniors, caregivers, and users seeking dependable, everyday mobility. The initial impression centers on generous seating, ergonomic joystick sensitivity, and a compact footprint that promises easy maneuverability through narrow doorways and cluttered rooms. Build quality and dimensions begin with a reinforced steel chassis and precision welds that feel durable under repeated use while supporting diverse body types. The overall footprint measures 39 inches long by 24 inches wide with a seat height adjustable range that accommodates various leg lengths and user preferences. Folding mechanics simplifies storage with a quick release, while removable armrests and a lightweight but sturdy frame aid transport in vehicles and storage closets. Technical details highlight brushless DC motors delivering smooth acceleration and consistent torque across thresholds, plus regenerative braking to conserve energy during routine daily use. A programmable control panel allows caregivers to set top speeds, gentle ramps, and preferred sensitivity, while modular attachments enable tray, cup holder, or extra support options. The battery system includes a removable pack with indicators and hot swap capability, ensuring minimal downtime during daily routines and long outings away from home. In performance tests, the wheelchair demonstrated stable voltage under load on carpet and tile, maintaining predictable acceleration and efficient turning without noticeable drift. Real-world trials showed reliable brake engagement and a comfortable ride over thresholds, with the suspension smoothing minor bumps while preserving overall chassis rigidity. When stacked against the Apex Move Ultra, the generic electric wheelchair delivers comparable top speed yet excels in battery longevity and ease of maintenance. The pros include excellent build quality, versatile seating adjustments, and quiet operation. The cons include higher price and heavier weight.